I'm at Eagle Rock Center, City of Los Angeles, Eagle Rock area, California. Bulacan Bakeshop Catering is an authentic Filipino restaurant. Bulacan Bakeshop opens early for hot summer, offers affordable price lunch and traditional Filipino pastries. I buy Pork Adobo Lunch Combo for $9 and pastry for only 90 cents each. I'm gonna taste this C2 lemon green tea drinks made in Philippine. Open it. Very good lemon smell. It's a great flavor. It's a lemon and green tea combined together. Very good taste. I got a tasteful from Bulacan Bakeshop and Catering, Filipino restaurant. This one is lunch special combo meal, and this is pork stew, and this is the famous Filipino pastry. This is the lunch special combo meal. This is the pork stew. This meal comes with pork stew, also with the pickle, vegetable. That's very unusual and very special for Filipino food. And also with egg and rice. This some rice, pork, pickle together. The pork is tender and juicy, very nice. The pickle is crispy, a little bit sweet and sour, combined together with the pork and the rice. Very good taste. That's very nice. Let's drink this. I'll taste 3 different kinds of Filipino pastry. This one is the yellow sweet yam. That's the sweet one. And this one in the middle, that's the sweet purple yam, also the sweet one. And this one is the savory one. That's the potato pastry. So let's try this sweet yellow yam first. soft. It's a little bit sweet, not too sweet. That's a good taste. Very good. Good. Try this sweet pepper yam. Also, it's soft and a little bit sweeter than the sweet yellow yam. It's still not too sweet. So that's a good taste for sweet pepper yam. That's good. Let's try this potato pastry. That's soft too. It's a savory flavor, but not too salty. That's a good potato pastry. That's good. This. I gotta taste these two drinks made by Samago Inc. Samago Inc. is a major beverage company in Philippines. This one is mango juice, and this one is Calamansi juice. Let's open this mango juice. I'm gonna open this Calamansi juice. Open. Taste the mango juice. The mango smell. Nice mango taste. Not too sweet. A little bit sweet. That's good. Let's try this Calamansi drink. That's good lemon smell. It tastes like orange juice and lemon juice combined together. That's a good taste. For these two drinks, I like this Calamansi juice drink the better. I'll take this sunflower crackers made by Croley Foods Company. Croley Foods Company is a major food company in the Philippines. Let's open it. There are 10 individual pack in one bag, and this one is lemon flavor cream sandwich. Let's open it. The two sandwich in one bag. I'm gonna take this cream sandwich. That's a good lemon seed. It's crispy outside, and the cream inside is creamy. It's just a little bit sour and sweet, so that's a good taste. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.